All right. So this morning we are going to make a pumpkin volcano.
Like this.
So first, yes, we have to cut. So I'm going to cut, okay? And you guys are going to watch.
Wow. How you did that? I can make pumpkin pie.
No, we're not gonna make pumpkin pie.
That sharp thing so sharp.
It is very sharp. Do you touch it?
No,
No.
it's cut.
Okay. Look.
The beans.
Seeds.
Seeds.
Yes.
I
You
make
see?
seeds in mine.
Okay. Pumpkin seeds. Okay. You're gonna take your hand. You're gonna put it inside, and we're gonna put it in this bowl. Okay. Ready? Go. So here, stand up. Roll up your sleeves. Roll up your other sleeve. Okay, Melissa, wanna come try?
I don't.
No, you don't have any sleeves. Yeah. Here, put your hand in. Put it. Grab some and put it in here. Okay, Micah.
I got beans.
Seeds. Grab seeds. Here, stand up. Put it in. Good.
Yours
Here.
big. Yours is so big,
Yeah.
and ours is so small.
Your
And ours
hands.
so small.
Keep
Are we
going.
gonna make a mess?
And put it in. Yeah, we are. It's going to be messy. Put it in. Oh, I'm going to try to get all in the bowl, okay?
I got beans.
Got seeds. Oh, here's some seeds. These are pumpkin seeds.
A pumpkin seeds.
Yes, keep going.
Where's the pumpkin seeds in here?
Because it is this.
And we can put this back in here again?
Stretching it all out. And here. No, we're not going to put it in the bowl. Here, take Moses. Nope, no. Just put your hands aside. And put it all here.
I'm grabbing all the pumpkins.
Look, you have seeds here.
Oh, it's thick.
Yeah.
You cut the. I need my hand.
Yeah. Are you ready to go wash your hands? Okay, here.
Not me.
Go wash your hands. No. You try to use the spoon and scoop it all
Can I try it?
out. Here. Here. Hold the spoon. Put it in. Okay. And scoop. Scoop it. Oh, you put it.
Not every going to make.
Right now we are going to hollow out the pumpkins. We're going to take everything out.
And we can make a smiley face?
No, we're not. We're going to use our hollowed out pumpkin for our pumpkin volcano.
Outside?
No, we're using it inside here.
I saw the bucket outside.
No, we're going to keep it inside, okay? So inside. Okay. All right.
Mix.
Okay, nope, we're not mixing it. I'm just going to leave this here.
And now I wash my hands.
Yes.
Now you turn.
Okay, go wash your hands. Moses, let's go, please. All right, so while the kids are washing their hands, I will show you our pumpkin. We clean it out. Okay. You wash your hands, okay. And we're going to put these aside for later.
And I wash my hands too, Mom.
Okay, sit back
Did
down.
you wash your hands?
Yes, sit back down in your seat, please.
Are you going to do it again?
Nope, I'm going to show you what we're going to do next.
Just show sugar.
No, we don't have sugar. Okay. Careful.
Johnny, no papa. You
Okay.
no
Okay.
papa.
All done.
Ow.
Now, see? Side. Empty.
Mm-hmm.
Empty.
Mm-hmm.
See, Mommy? Okay.
We
So,
did it.
you did do it. Okay. So here. Now,
And this is the baby.
you're going to hold. And we're going to fill half of this pumpkin with vinegar. Okay, so this is vinegar we have in here.
Easy.
Thank you. Yep, you can see inside.
And I mix it.
Not yet. Okay, so now
Oh.
we're going to add some dish liquid soap. Micah,
Right.
stand up. Okay, hold on. We're not putting all of it, okay?
Okay.
So
That's
look,
a bit.
look. Yep, we're going to put a little bit. All right, thank you.
You're doing my thing.
Oh, be careful.
Whoa, hold that.
Okay, so let's
Okay.
see. We're going to add a little bit of
I do
green
that.
paint. Oh, wait, it's not opened yet. Hold on, please.
I
Hold on, please.
Oh.
Thank you.
How about me?
Okay, hold on. I'm going to change this
How about Micah?
cover. Hold on. Mommy will do this, okay? To take it out.
You take that out?
Yeah, to take out the cover lid.
I did that.
Okay, hold on. Okay,
I did that.
wait. Who just poured the soap? You poured the soap. So you're going to pour a little bit of paint.
Me?
No. Hold on. Oh, okay. Thank you. Yeah, you see inside.
Yeah.
And now we're going to mix.
Me.
Yes.
Me.
Okay, hold on. Okay. Mix it all together very gently, okay?
The baby.
Oh yeah, you see a seed inside. Thank you.
Yes.
Let's show everyone. Don't pull this, please. Okay.
How about that?
Hold on. We're going to put that on after. Let's show everyone. We mixed all together and what it looks like. Okay. So now, what do you think is going to happen? Let's see. We mixed. Now we're going to add some baking soda. Okay, so you're going to hold. Mostly you can hold. All right, so let's pour some baking soda. See what happens. Okay, what's happening?
It's going
Ooh.
bubbles.
Come. Oops, sorry.
It's going bubbles.
Okay. Here. Let's
It's going
see.
to add one.
Okay, you show everyone what is happening. Hold on. Let's see. Oh. Yep, you're gonna see. Careful. You can see. Look inside.
Wow. It's better and better.
It's getting bigger and bigger.
And the brown. Woo! It's soft.
Yeah. How do you think? Is this cool?
It's going.
It's going. You made sure we had a tray at the bottom to catch the mess. Yeah.
It's so
Careful.
awesome.
It's so awesome.
It's going to be bigger.
Yeah, look. Look how where it's going.
Wow.
Wow. Okay, off the table, please. We're pulling this. Let's raise up a little bit. Okay. Bring your chair
Oh.
closer.
My teacher could be angry.
No. Not angry at all. This is awesome.
It's gonna be bigger
So-
bubbles.
Yes, we see a lot of bubbles. And what color?
Right.
It's white. Yeah, did our green paint take? No, do we see any green?
No.
No. So
White.
I think our
the
pink,
white, like black.
white, and no, we don't see the black.
No, my teacher said that white, like black.
White like black. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Black.
No, that's white.
White, like a black.
You
Red.
were wearing black. Yeah, white and black are shades, but the hair is a color too. All right.
It's red thing.
It's still going. And thank you for watching us make our pumpkin volcano.
Yeah.